And in the bag are the cones that are really, this is really convenient, that you can flatten them and tuck them away in the nice bag that they came in. Inside is where the little flasher bulbs are, and they're all individually wrapped in this little Ziploc bag. I already tested one to make sure they're working. They don't come with batteries, so make sure that you get some AAA batteries. Each flasher takes 2, so they do work. And there are 4 cones in the bag, and this is what they look like. So this is a nice solid plastic. It's pretty thick. And then you just, excuse me while I do this with one hand, unpack it. And I ordered really tall ones. Sorry, I'm in the store of my office here, so I got these so that I could put my sign that you will see in the other video in front of them, and the bulb up here, because we have snow and ice falling off our roofs. So I want to make sure that our guests that are staying at our RV resort in Parksville, BC, are cautioned to watch out for that stuff that might fall on them. And these are lovely. There are 4 of them, which wasn't quite enough. I needed 6, so I bought 2 sets. Oh, and this guy is not together, so that's funny. I didn't actually look at all of them. Huh. Yeah, look at that. This is like an unveiling as is happening, but I should be able to hopefully line this guy back up and snap him back in place. I will check that. Might as well check this one while we're at it. Sorry, bad video footage. So, this one looks like it's probably okay. Good. So, and then you can see it comes with the 4 bulbs on top. And then you can just like put them back together. See if I can prop this up and show you as I try to do it. I don't know if it's going to work too well. And we'll just lean you this way to do that. And we're just down here. Oh, so sorry. I don't want you looking at the roof. I'm not a professional, as you can tell, doing this. Just trying to leave you guys a review so that you know they're good. You think they're worth the money, and then you just squish it right back in. I want to buy a set of these for my car because I think they would be great to have in case there's an emergency, and you know, you're always looking for ways to take up less room in your car. And just like that, easy peasy. It's all back together. Yeah. Yay! Thank you. I don't know how to pronounce that. Guard lead. Anyway, great product. Hopefully I can fix that one. Shouldn't be too hard. And yeah, that's it. I would buy them again. In fact, I will. Thank you. Hope this helped. Bye.
Allora, test da eseguire. Siamo quasi alla fine. Allora, abbiamo gli occhiali sul niente. Ok. Vediamo, allora a sinistra abbiamo il laser che va al 95% adesso e a destra al 10%. Come vediamo il legno praticamente, se ha un'abrasione sulla sinistra e sulla destra praticamente una lieve incisione quasi per niente. E il laser si sta comportando benissimo. Va detto che il primo era arrivato difettoso, ma come può capitare l'ho fatto presente all'azienda che me lo ha rinviato anche abbastanza in maniera celere, e questo diciamo funziona. Mettiamolo in pausa, vediamo nel dettaglio. Allora, effettivamente qua rispetto a qua, qui c'è quasi un millimetro, più di un millimetro di diciamo, rimozione del legno, e questa è appunto una scala di quella che è una scala di grigi, che però di fatto diventa una scala di, diciamo, abrasione, e effettivamente i difetti che vedete qua di bruciatura sono dovuti dal software, che è seccato male, ma il laser si comporta benissimo.
Il est génial, alors très pratique, là pour un enfant. Oups. Et en plus c'est aimanté, ça colle et il descend tout seul. Bon, c'est vrai que c'est lent, c'est très très lent, mais il descend tout seul. C'est top.
Entre les enseignants et les étudiants. Si nous sommes sur un modèle de confinement du printemps dernier, les écoles, les personnes qui se déplacent, évidemment, dans ce cas-là, ça concerne aussi l'université.
Vai.
Si vedono le prese?